Hello, Adab, Namaste, my beautiful viewers, and once again, welcome to your very own channel, The Mum's Kitchen. So, today I'm sharing a recipe which you can enjoy as an evening snack and as a starter before your main course meals as well. Let's prepare chicken drumsticks. This is a dish which is very popularly available in most of the restaurants, but every restaurant or eatery you go to, you will find a different variety and a different taste of this dish. So, I'm going to share with you the way I prepare chicken drumsticks. And before we begin, if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss on such amazing recipes. So let's get started. Alright, first we need to marinate the chicken. I've taken 6 pieces of chicken drumsticks as you can see. And to this first goes in half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is all-purpose flour, which is maida. I'm taking 3 tablespoons, and to this I'll add corn flour as well, which is 1/4 cup. And next goes in 1 whole egg. Next goes in some salt, which is as per your taste. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and the juice of 1 lemon. Okay, once everything is in, I'm going to mix everything together, make sure that all the chicken pieces are properly coated with this mixture, and I'm going to marinate this for at least 2 hours. And one important thing which I forgot to add, which is the red chili powder that I'm adding right now. This is the Kashmiri red chili powder, guys. I do not like a very spicy marination. And if you want, you can go for the normal red chili powder as well. Alright, it's been more than 2 hours and it's time to move towards the next step. So let's take some cooking oil in a pan for deep frying those chicken pieces. The oil is now hot and I'm going to drop the chicken pieces one by one into the hot oil. Reduce the flame to a medium and cook it on one side for at least 2 to 3 minutes before I flip these over to the other side. And why do we do so? We need to make sure that the bottom side of the chicken is cooked well before we flip it. Otherwise, the outer coating of the chicken, which is, the corn flour and the maida, that is going to come off. Alright, it's been almost 2.5 minutes and let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's all ready to be flipped now. So here it goes. Yeah, it looks good now. Okay. I'm going to flip all the chicken pieces and then let it again cook for about 4 to 5 minutes before I check it. And your chicken should be done in about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, it's been about 12 minutes and let's see. Yep, the chicken looks done. Some of the pieces of the chicken, they have detached from the bone, and that's a sign when your chicken is cooked properly. So I'm going to take this out and keep it separately, and next we will move towards making the sauce for this chicken drumstick recipe. Alright, this is the last part of the recipe, for which I've taken a fresh pan and I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil once again. Okay, one by one we'll add all our ingredients. So first in goes some chopped garlic, and next I'll put in some chopped ginger and cook it for about 2 minutes till the raw flavor of the ginger and the garlic goes away. Okay, the ginger and the garlic looks done. Now I'm going to add the white portion of spring onions to it and I'm going to cook it for another 30 seconds. Alright, next in goes some finely chopped onion, and we're going to saute it for about a minute or two. No need to cook it until it turns absolutely brown, just a little bit translucent and we are good. Alright, do you see? This is the exact color and the texture of the onions that we want. We don't want to make it brown. So now I'm going to turn the flame of the gas to an absolute low and start adding our wet ingredients. So first in goes 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. Next I'm going to add tomato ketchup, which is about 3 tablespoons, And you can add red chili sauce here as well. I'm avoiding it because I'm using the Maggi hot and sweet sauce, which in itself is a little bit spicy, so I don't need to add the extra chili sauce here. Now I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and now give it a proper mix. Alright, next for that extra flavor, I'm going to add some black pepper powder and also half a teaspoon of honey into this. So I do like honey in this preparation. It is completely optional. If you do not like a sweet flavor, you can completely avoid it. Alright, the sauce is ready and it's time to add the chicken, the fried chicken into the sauce. So here it is. And once added, just give it a good mix so that the sauce gets coated into the chicken very well. Alright, the last thing that goes in is the spring onion greens, and once added, I'm going to give it a toss and it will be ready. Ta-da! Here, I've taken this out on a serving plate and I cannot wait to enjoy this with my family on this quiet and relaxing Sunday. Do try this out, guys, and you will become a hit among your group. Also, if you like this recipe, then do like the video and share it with your friends and families. Leave a comment down below with your suggestions, appreciations, or even requests if you want me to try some recipes of your liking. Until next time, this is Ambreen signing off. Do take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye-bye.